Welcome to Python Introduction. In this short lesson, you will learn what Python is, why beginners love it, and how your first code works. Python is a programming language. We use it to give instructions to a computer. The best part is that Python reads almost like simple English. Python is popular because it is useful in many areas. You can use it for artificial intelligence, web development, data analysis, automation, and backend tools. Python syntax is clean. Variables store values, functions perform actions, and indentation tells Python which lines belong together. Python can make decisions using if statements. It can also repeat tasks using loops. This is how programs become dynamic and useful. Functions help you organize code. You write the logic once, reuse it many times, and build bigger programs in a clean way. A calculator is a great first project. It teaches variables, operators, output, and simple logic without becoming too difficult. Your next step is simple. Learn the basics, build projects, fix errors, explore API, and then move towards